I'm so nervous. I don't think I will survive being on top. I'd rather just go down because let me go downstairs. I decided to come and sit upstairs. Let's hope we're not gonna be Titanic.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
At this point, I was so freaking irritated about this boat cruise. It was just a 30 minutes cruise, but it felt like 2 hours. It was getting windy, the boat was very rocky, It was just hectic. At this point, I just wanted to get off the boat. Like, I just wanted to get off the boat. But overall, it was an awesome experience. Will I do it again? Maybe, maybe not. I couldn't even get up and capture these seals properly because at this moment the boat was very rocky and like, oh my word, I really wanted to get off the boat. Yes, I was smiling, but deep inside, deep down inside, I really wanted to get off this boat. On land, safe and sound. Back on the land, on the motherland.
Gas.